Hello guys, there is a big update announced from the Cisco Networking Academy, nothing but Cisco. So Cisco is going to be conduct Cisco Ideathon program 2024. Now most of them you might be having the doubt that what is the meaning of Ideathon program. Today's video we are going to see that what is the meaning of Ideathon process, what is the actual process will be done, so what is the eligibility criteria, right? So how to apply for Cisco Ideathon 2024, what is the last date to apply, so what are the interview rounds will be there, how to prepare. So everything we are going to discuss in today's video, right? So Cisco Ideathon means you can think in terms of the Cisco interview process, right? Now see that what is the registration process. So I'm going to give the registration link in the description box. So please go and apply for the Cisco Ideathon program 2024. So see that first this is the process flow they have given for us, right, for regarding Cisco Ideathon 2024. So ensure your registration. So registration is opened on the 10th. The last day to apply is the 17th June. Remember this point. If you want to apply for the Cisco Ideathon 2024, nothing but Cisco hiring process, last date is the 17th. For link, please find the description box. So after applying of the 17th June, on 25th June you will be getting the online assessment process. What type of questions they might be asking, so what is the portion syllabus, that we are going to see later. Once it is completed, they will be giving some week of the time. So in that we need to submit our idea. So idea submission will be in terms of the 5G IoT related, so that also we are going to see later. Once idea submission is completed, it means that you need to submit the PPT, PowerPoint presentation, to the Cisco team, right? So they will be keep that idea submissions. So once it is completed, here there will be no rejections, so then interview process will be completed as the round 2. So in that round 2 they might be asking about the what is the idea you have submitted, right, related whatever the given technology they asked you to submit. So once if you clear the interview, final result will be declared and then you will be eligible for the internship. So during that you will be getting around 20 lakh package, right? So first we will try to see that what is the eligible criteria. So remember the most important point is that you should be the Cisco Networking Academy. NETACAD registered colleges or universities, they are all only eligible for participating the Cisco Ideathon 2024. Right, so it means that before going to apply this registration process, first what you have to do is we need to complete some prerequisites. So for prerequisite, you need to have the Cisco Networking Academy. If your college is not part of the Cisco Networking Academy, then you are not eligible for the Cisco Ideathon 2024. Right, remember this important point. So one more thing is the student must have completed all the required prerequisites. Now we are going to see that what is the prerequisite means, what are the courses to be completed. So that we are going to see in couple of minutes. Then one more important update is that so CGPA should be 6.0 and above. So those who are having the active backlogs, they are not eligible, right? So the time when you are applying, you should not have any no current backlogs or arrears, right? So at the time of the participation, this point to be remembered, right? So now here we are going to give the registration link. By using this registration link, you can apply for the Cisco Ideathon 2024. So this link we are going to provide in the description box. Please use this link for registration purpose, right? So now as we seen in earlier that what is the prerequisite, what is the course that is required to apply for this registration process is that so you should have completed the all Cisco Certified Network Association. So CCNA, all 3 modules: Introduction to Network, Switching, Routing, Wireless Essential, next ENSA. These 3 modules you should complete it before going to apply for this registration process. So this is the eligibility criteria. If you completed all these 3 modules, then only you are eligible for this Ideathon 2024. So for that reason, your college should be part of the Networking Academy. So under Networking Academy, you will be getting all these courses, right? So one more thing, so who is eligible? Only 2025 passing out batch students only eligible. So CGPA should be 6 and above, and there should be no active backlog on the time of your applying, right? So this is what the Ideathon link for student who are required to apply for the registration process. Now here you need to remember some deadlines. So what is the 17 June up to 8 PM you can apply for this registration process. So next what you have to do is you need to important points. So they will be explaining about the what is Cisco Ideathon 24 intention, what type of pattern question expected, everything will be explained in the pre-placement talk, which is going to be held on the 21st June 2024. So next, along with that, we will be having the Ideathon webinar 24 June 2024. Once it is completed, finally you will be having the online assessment exam. So that will be held on 25 June 2024. right? So the shortlisting process will include an online assessment, and top performers will get an opportunity to be part of the further process. Those who clear in the first round, they will be go for the idea submission, then interview process, then final list will be out, right? So all selected candidates will be contacted via only email, right? So this process we need to understand. So next important point to be remember here is that before completing the registration process, it is advised to go through the eligibility criteria to participate in the Ideathon. Each student should register only one time. So this is the important update they have given. So most of the students, they are applying the multiple times. So what they have given this time is that if you are found registering multiple times, it will lead to the disqualification. So at the time of applying, you be ready with all the data whichever is required. Then you apply only one time, right? Multiple times registration will lead for the disqualification, right? This point you need to remember. So now this link whichever is given in the description, I am going to open for applying the Ideathon 2024. So you will be finding something like this. So you can go through all these required things, right? So once it is completed, see that don't apply for the multiple times. So click on start now. So here you can find whichever the details we have explained, the same thing here you can observe. So what is the deadline, so what is the requirement, what is the key dates, everything you can see here, right? So here what exactly you have to do is enter your full name. So name should be as per your college records. Remember that name should be as per your college record. So then specify your gender, male or female, prefer not to say whatever it may be. Then here you need to provide your mobile number. It is, so they have given, right, number must be between this to this. So just you write your mobile number. So 10-digit mobile number. So please see that without the ISD code. So you need to only enter your 10 digits mobile number. That is important point to remember. So next, if it is any alternative mobile number, enter your second mobile number. Then here you need to enter your personal mail ID, right? So whatever the mail ID you enter, so right, enter correct mail ID as same will be used for any future communication. So either you got selected, so update about the next rounds, everything will be informed to this personal mail ID, right? So once it is completed, again each and every college you will be having some college email ID, right? So that you enter your college email ID. So once it is completed, you need to provide your what is the name of your college that you need to enter. So once it is completed, what is the select your state of the college, then enter your college city, right? So whichever college, whichever city your college is located, enter the particular city. So once it is completed, then you should not make any mistake. So some people they might be confused, but suppose for example you are doing engineering, some people they may opt for Bachelor of Technology, some people they maybe use Bachelor of Engineering. So please clearly check whether you opted the program under the BTech or BE. So according to that we need to check the option. So these many branches we have, so right, so 2025 all these passed outs are eligible for this program, right? So once it is completed, then you need to enter your CGPA, right? As and today what is our CGPA, that CGPA need to be entered, number must be in between 1 to 10. Next, once it is completed, enter your college, university, college roll number. So whatever the college hall ticket number you have, that college roll number you need to enter. So next, graduation year will be 2025, that you need to enter. So please confirm if you are available for the internship. This option should be mandatorily yes, right? So you keep this option as yes. Then here please select your participation from the following program. So see that Ideathon showcase student creativity using the 5G and IoT to solve the global issues. So in terms of the education, healthcare, sustainability, qualifiers and internship with the full-time prospect. So this is the things that they are going to mainly focusing on this year, right? Now here roles you can apply is that you can apply all these roles also. Just go through this job profile. What is the consultancy engineering, technical consultancy engineering, business system analyst. So all these profile you need to go through this. So based on that your interest you can do it. So as I told that if you have the query something like this, just what you have to do, just click on this link, right? The moment you click on this one, so here it is showing that CISCO Ideathon 2023, right? But here you can see that what is the registration process, last year registration process, everything you can see here, right? So what is the registration, how you can, what is the doubt you will be having, everything you will find the answers, right? So go through this one, this document will be useful, right? So what the desktop configuration you have to do, what type of question they might be asking. So some other information you will be getting if you use this particular link, right? Once it is completed, just click on the Ideathon. Now have you completed prerequisite NETACAD Networking Academy courses list part of eligibility criteria as of today. It means that if you are not completed, yes, we have the option. The deadline to complete the prerequisite is 15 June 2024. So before that, we need to complete the all CCNA module 1, module 2, module 3 certification. If it is completed, just completed. If you are yet to completed, just to mention it, but before 15 June. The better, my advice is that don't apply this form before 15. Once it is completed, all the 3 courses, then you click on completed, then you apply it, right? That will be better. So once it is completed, Cisco will verify whether you have completed all the 3 certification courses or not. So for that, what they are asking is, they are asking your networking academy ID. Each time if you are going to complete the networking courses, you will be having the some NETACAD login credential. You need to use that NETACAD login credential in order to find out the networking academy ID. So the moment here you are entering the networking academy ID, automatically they will collect whether you have completed the prerequisites or not. If it is completed, then you will be getting the eligible for the further process. So this is the very mandatory important point, right? So once it is completed, are you available for the webinar? So click on yes. Right, so this is also important. So now the main problem that we are going to face is that, so how to find out our networking academy ID. So first what you have to do is just click on the netacad.com, right? So netacad.com means where you have done all courses will come under the networking academy. So there you need to provide your login credentials. So click on login, right? So here we need to provide your login credential, enter your username and password. So once it is completed, what they told, right, so go to top right corner where you see your name, right? So just go to the top corner. So here I can able to find out my name, right? So under my name, so now see that, go to my profile, you will see your numeric networking academy ID. So just go to this one, just click on my profile. See that you can find out your ID, networking academy ID, this ID. Right, so just you copy this ID, you can find out by using this ID. They can find out what are the things you have completed, everything they will be able to find out automatically. Once it is completed, just click on the next. Now it is asking, have you appeared for any Cisco test under interview process on or off campus in the last 6 months excluding Cisco campus ambassador program? So here you need to click no. Right, so if you apply attended, then you click on yes. If not, click on no. So please confirm you have any active academic careers, right? So you should automatically select no active careers, right? So next, once it is completed, processing of personal data. So just read the statement, right? So once it is completed, now see that if you have for more information on Cisco privacy policy, click on this one, you can. So once it is completed, you click on agree, then click on submit button, right?